Fluent English practice. Feeling shy or stuck when speaking English at home? Don't worry, today's lesson is for you.
We've created a real-life home conversation that's super easy to follow and full of useful phrases.
From morning routines to family chats and even feeling sick, we've packed it all into one fun video.
Watch till the end, because we'll also explain key phrases to help you speak more naturally in English.
This is Fluent English practice, where learning feels like real life.
Let's jump into the conversation. Ready?
Let's go. Kevin, wake up.
I'm sleepy, Mom.
It's already 8:30.
Do I really need to get up?
Yes, you shouldn't sleep all day.
All right. I'm getting up.
Go brush your teeth and wash your face.
Okay, give me a minute.
Are you done?
Yes, I feel better now.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm starving.
I made pancakes and tea.
Thank you. Smells great.
Sit and eat, Kevin.
What are we doing today?
You should clean your study table first.
Yeah, it's really messy. I'll do it.
Also, don't forget your laundry.
I'll take care of it after breakfast.
Good boy. Let's start the day right.
Thanks, Mom. You're awesome.
Conversation number 2. Cleaning the study table. Kevin, have you cleaned your study table yet?
Not yet, Mom. I'm just finishing breakfast.
Okay, but don't wait too long.
I'll do it now.
Let me know if you need help.
Mom, there's so much paper here.
Then start by throwing away the old ones.
Can I keep my drawings?
Yes, but organize them in a folder.
Got it. This is going to take a while.
I'll bring you a trash bag.
Thanks. I'm already halfway done.
Conversation number 3. Playing video games.
Hey, are you ready to play?
Yes, I'm going to beat you this time.
No way. I've been practicing.
Let's see. Start the game.
Okay, level 1. Here we go.
Watch out. There's a trap.
Oh no, I jumped you late.
I told you.
You are lucky. I'll catch up.
I got the golden key.
No fair. I was going for it.
You're too slow, Kevin.
Not anymore, power boost.
What? How did you do that?
Secret combo. I learned it yesterday.
You always find tricks.
It's called strategy.
I'll beat you on the next level.
Let's play again. One more round.
Deal. This time, I will win for sure. Conversation number 4. Kevin feeling sick. Kevin, are you okay?
Not really. My head hurts.
Let me check your temperature.
I feel hot and tired.
You have a slight fever.
Oh no. Do I need a doctor?
Yes, I'll book an appointment.
Thanks, Mom.
The doctor can see you at 4 p.m.
All right. Can I rest on the couch?
Yes, I'll make some soup for you.
You're the best.
Just relax. Everything will be fine.
I hope I feel better soon.
Conversation number 5. At the clinic.
Hello. What's your name?
This is Kevin Parker.
Please wait a moment.
I'm feeling a bit worse now.
Stay strong. The doctor is very kind.
Kevin, the doctor will see you now.
Hello, Kevin. What's bothering you?
I have a headache and a sore throat.
Let's do a quick check.
Okay.
You have a mild cold. Nothing serious.
What should I do?
Take this medicine and rest for 2 days.
Can I play games?
Only a little. Focus on rest.
Thank you, doctor.
You are welcome. Get well soon.
Conversation number 6. Back at home. Kevin, here's your soup and medicine.
Thanks, Mom. You take such good care of me.
That's what moms do.
I'll sleep now.
All right. Call me if you need anything.
Love you, Mom.
Love you too, sweetheart. Conversation number 7. Where's my book?
Mom, have you seen my English book?
Did you check your desk?
Yes, it's not there.
What about under your bed?
Nope, I checked.
Maybe it's in the living room?
I'll go look now. I found it.
Where was it?
Under the sofa cushion.
You always leave your things there.
I know. I'll be more careful next time.
Good idea. Get a box for your books.
Yeah, I'll put it on my shelf.
Now go wash your hands. Dinner is ready.
I'm so hungry.
Well done, friends. You just practiced another real-life English conversation.
Yes. Today we learned how Kevin and his mom talked about everyday problems, like cleaning, feeling sick, and losing things.
That's right. These are common moments in life, and knowing how to talk about them in English is super useful.
Let's take a minute to review some useful words from the video.
Here are a few words and phrases that might be new or tricky. Starving. Very hungry. I'm starving means I'm very hungry. Fever. A higher than normal body temperature. Usually when you're sick. He has a fever. He needs rest. Sore throat. When your throat hurts. My throat feels sore. It's hard to talk. Cushion. A soft pillow used on a sofa or chair. My book was under the cushion. Appointment. A set time to meet someone, like a doctor. The doctor's appointment is at 4 p.m. Organize. To arrange or tidy things neatly. Let's organize the books on your table. Rest. To relax or sleep to get energy back. Take your medicine and rest.
These words are simple, but you'll hear them often in daily conversations.
You can even try using them in your own life, like when you talk to your family or write in your English journal.
And remember, it's okay to repeat and review. That's how real learning happens.
Keep practicing with us on Fluent English Practice.
Like, share, and subscribe so you never miss a lesson.
And remember, practice a little every day, and you'll improve faster than you think.
See you next time.